Hello students, today we will study chapter 2, Where is Duke? This is a beautiful story and I hope you will enjoy this story. Here it is said that about the pet dog named Duke. There is a rain, heavy rain, and Duke is afraid of the rain. And it is hiding somewhere. So here three persons are there: Mummy, Mrs. Melon, and two brother and sisters. They are Rahul and Anju. These three of them are there in the house, and along with the Duke. And when Duke is afraid of the storm and rain, it is hiding somewhere, and three of them are so fond of this Duke. They love him so much. So they are searching for him. Let us see what is written in the story. Let us read and see. All of you listen carefully and understand it clearly. I hope you will enjoy this story. Let us start. Rahul and Anju are sitting in the house. Means this both brother and sister, Rahul and Anju, they are sitting in the house. It is raining. Now there is a rain. It is raining and the wind is blowing. Now there is a heavy rain and wind also is blowing from here to there. Close the windows, Rahul, says Mrs. Melon. Mama is telling to Rahul that to close the windows. You close the doors, Anju. And she is telling Anju to close the doors. They will bang and the glass will break. Why mother is telling to close the windows and doors? Because when the wind blows and heavy rain comes, maybe those doors and windows may bang and it will break. There is a storm outside, says Mrs. Melon, because there is a heavy storm outside the house. So when storm comes, the window and doors will bang. So that she is telling them to close the windows and doors. Mummy, where is our dog Duke? Now they are worried about their dog. Where it is? They are worried about the dog and they are thinking, where is it? Where it gone? Is he out in the storm? Asks Anju. Anju is asking to Mama whether it has gone out of the house or what. Let us see if Duke is hiding, says Rahul. Now Rahul is telling to Mama and Anju that let us see where is it. Maybe it is hiding somewhere. Anju and Rahul look for Duke. Now both the brother and sister started searching for the Duke. Anju looks in the kitchen. Anju is looking in the kitchen room, and in the kitchen room everywhere she is searching. Duke, Duke, calls Anju. Anju is calling to dog that Duke, Duke, calling that and searching. Duke, Duke, calls Rahul. Rahul also is calling by name and searching the Duke. But Duke does not come. Both the brother and sister, they are searching for the Duke, calling its name. Still dog is not coming out from anywhere. Mummy, Duke is not here. They are worried so much and they are telling that Mummy, Duke is not here. It has gone somewhere. Where can he be hiding? Ask Rahul. Rahul is asking where it will hide. Rahul looks for Duke in the dining room, but he is not there. Now Rahul went to the dining room. He is searching everywhere, under the table, under the chair, everywhere. But there also it is not found. Duke is here, says Mrs. Menon. Now Mrs. Menon found the Duke. Where it might be? Let us see. He is hiding under the bed. Where was Duke? Duke was hiding under the bed. He is afraid of the storm. Why is he hiding under the bed? Because he is afraid of the storm. Come on, Duke. Come out, Duke. Now, Mrs. Melan is calling the Duke by name, telling that, come on, Duke, come out, Duke. But Duke does not come out. But still, Duke is not coming because he is so much afraid of storm. He is afraid of the storm. He will not come out until the storm stops. So, when they found out the Duke, when they are calling it by its name, still it is not coming out from under the bed. So now they are telling that it will not come out until the storm is stop, because it is afraid of storm. I hope you might have understood the story. You also read once again by yourself and understand little more better way. Let us do the exercise. Number A. Fill in the blanks with these words. Now words are given for you. Only you have to fill up the blanks. Duke is hiding. He is afraid of the storm. Rahul looks for him in the dining room. Anju looks for him in the kitchen. Mrs. Menon finds Duke under the bed. He will not come out until the storm stops. So I have said, dear children, I have said you directly the answer because it will take lot of time to read question separately and to tell the answer. So already I have written the answers in these gaps and I have said the answers. Number B. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? Rahul and Anju closed the door and windows because it was raining and the wind was blowing. Number 2. Who were Rahul and Anju looking for? Rahul and Anju were looking for Duke. Number 3. Where did Rahul look? Rahul looked in the dining room. Number 4. Who found Duke? Mrs. Menon found Duke. Number 5. Where was Duke hiding? Duke was hiding under the bed. Now let us come to the vocabulary. In the lesson, you read about the weather condition called storm. Now, rearrange these jumbled words to know about different weather conditions. So, now here words are given here and there and you have to arrange it to make a weather condition. Number 1. Sunny. Number 2. Misty. Number 4. Frosty. Number 3. Frosty. Number 4. Cool. Number 5. Breezy. Now you see here language and grammar. Read these sentences. Now you have to read these sentences and know about the nouns. Duke is the name of a dog. Rahul is the name of a boy. Anju is the name of a girl. Delhi is the name of a big city. So now underline the names of people and places in these sentences. Now name of the people and place. You have to underline. Number 1. Mary is the little girl. Mary. Mary is the name of girl. Number 2. Delhi and Mumbai are big cities. Delhi and Mumbai are big cities. Delhi and Mumbai is the name of places. Number 3. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Taj Mahal and Agra is the name of places. Number 4. Chennai is in South India. Chennai is the name of place which is situated in South India. Number 5. Rita and Ravi are friends. Rita and Ravi are name of persons. Now you see here, write this name correctly. Whenever we write any person's name, place name, then we have to write in capital letter, because whenever we start the name, the first letter should be capital. All these names now look at these words: Ashok, Meena, Mumbai, Peter, India, Punjab. All these names begin with capital letters. Name of people and places always begin with capital letters. So let us write these sentences beginning with write these words beginning with the capital letter. Rani, Gopal, Rekha, Nagpur, Akbar, London. Now come to C number. Read these sentences. The dog is hiding under the bed. The book is on the table. Pooja writes with her pencil. A word that shows the prepositions of one thing in relation to another is called a preposition. A word that shows the position of one thing in relation to another is called a preposition. So what is preposition here? In the first sentence, the dog is hiding under the bed. The preposition is under. This under is relating one sentence to other. Second sentence, the book is on the table. Where is the book? Book is on the table. Preposition is on. Pooja writes with her pencil. How does Pooja write? Pooja writes with her pencil. So fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. Already options are given for you. You will write the correct preposition. The pencils are in the box. The postman is at the door. The girl is sitting on the chair. The bird is flying over the house. The boy is climbing down the stairs. So here some may misunderstand. Some may tell that answer should be 2 words. But 2 words means only climbing the upward. It does not tells about the coming down. When we say climbing down the stairs means going up as well as coming down. It shows both the meaning, going up and coming down. So down is more suitable than 2 words. Therefore this correct answer is down. So dear students, I hope you through this story you might have understood something, and please study this in your home and write the notes. Thank you.